Hey guys, it's Aaron again. The last glare technique I'm going to show you is to put a glare on something that is flat and not curved. I have this picture of an iPad here that I grabbed off the internet, and what we're going to do is put the sort of typical Apple advertising glare across the front of this that you see so often. So the first step is I need to make a shape that is going to fit right inside this nicely. So I need to figure out the corner radius of these corners. And let me zoom into 100% here. An easy way to figure out corner radius of something is to grab actually, it's easier if you grab your elliptical marquee. Hold shift to make a perfect circle, and then try to line that up so that it's just right in there. And it looks like about 42, 43 pixels in diameter, and it fits that corner nicely. So our corner radius is going to be about half of that, so about 21 or 22. So let's deselect that. I'm going to zoom back out so I can see the whole thing. Now grab your rounded rectangle tool. I'm going to get rid of this pesky, ugly stroke ahead of time. I'm not sure why it has been putting that in there as default. So got my corner radius set to 23. I think I figured it would be 21, 22. We'll just leave it at 23 to see what happens here. And go ahead and drag out as close as you can to the edge. The kind of rectangle shape you need. Okay, we'll name that glare. And now I'm going to take my pen tool and I'm going to cut that thing in half. So grab the pen tool, let's deselect our path. And again, grab our pen tool. I'm going to set it to subtract front shape. And I'm just going to sort of eyeball it. Start about here, click, go down to here. And that didn't really work. I just made a new shape layer. Thought I had the path selected there. So what I'll do is I'll grab that path, cut it, go back to my glare layer, make sure that my path is selected here. There we go. Paste that path in, set it to subtract from shape, and there we go. And now I'm also going to go up here and merge my shape components, so I just have this one shape. Alright, so that's the shape of my glare. Now I need to apply a layer style to it. So just similar to the way we did things in the other ones, I'm going to bring my fill opacity down to 0 because I don't want to see any of the original fill. I'm going to apply a gradient to it. Gradient with 2 white stop points. And here you can play around with the angle. We'll set the bottom opacity point to actually 0. Set the top one to about 50. And then you can play around with the angle and see what you like the looks of. I kind of like something like that. But you can do whatever you want. And there you go. There's our sort of flat reflection on a flat surface. So I hope you enjoyed these tutorials, and I hope to see you for the next ones. Thanks a lot.